How to fix messages not sending on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. Over here, long press on the bottom of the screen and swipe up. You can now view all the open applications on your phone. If you want to close app that is not opening, then swipe up on the app preview to close it as shown. For example, Messages. Now, go back and open up the Settings application. From here, turn on airplane mode and then turn it off again. Scroll down to the end and go to Apps. From here, scroll down and tap on Messages. On this page, you can view and manage the Messages settings. Over here, turn on the iMessage option. Following these steps, you can easily fix messages not sending on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.